All right, y'all. So now we are on to part D, which is just record the measure of the angles A, B, C, and D, E, F. So just really quick, we'll go through the first one, uh, CAB. So how do you measure that one? So we'll come here to, remember the middle one is always the one that's getting measured. So for this one, just come here, angle. We'll go clockwise. C, in this case, it's BAC, but it's the same thing. We just want the angle right there for A, which is 90. So for A right here, you would just put 90. Right. And then here we are looking for the second one. C is the angle we're looking for here. So we'll just go here to, remember, clockwise. That's why we're doing it this way. So it's still here, right? It's always going to, or you got to click on that if you hadn't yet. And so here we'll go A, C, B. Well, actually, I already saw that there was a 45 there, right? I didn't even catch that until now. 45. And so if you know about what it should measure up to, all the angles inside, it's just kind of a shortcut that if it equals to 180, all the angles together in a triangle, and here you have 90 and here you have 45, then just by doing the math like that, you should know that this other one will be 45. But if you didn't know that, then you could just come here again. It's already selected. So you would just go C, B, A. And as we predicted, it is 45, right? So just go ahead and do that same thing with the second triangle right here. And just remember that this middle letter is the angle that you are putting down for this little space right here.